I should really thank, Pradeep Vittalji and Sridivya Garu to be very kind and very sweet and come here. We really appreciate it, sir. And thank you for being here. I would request, I would invite Bhaskar to come here and propose the vote of thanks.
Good morning, one and all. I'm not wanting to give vote of thanks because I think this would conclude the whole session, and I don't want to stop listening to such wonderful people today. But still, I have to go on. So that's why I would take this opportunity to thank one and all who have come here from all the way from different places to participate and get motivated and connect with people. Firstly, I would take this opportunity to thank IPE for organizing such an event. And then I would take this opportunity to also thank Professor R.K. Mishra sir, without whom this would not have been successful. Then our very own Dean sir, for his support and guidance on how to make this event a big success. Then I would thank Anjaraju sir. Without his support, this couldn't have also happened, because Anjaraju sir comes in the very last moment and takes everything by storm, because he comes in the last moment and says, this is you do, this is how it will succeed. If you do this process, it won't work out. So over his experience, he guides us. Thank you, sir. And then I would thank Dr. Pradna Kumar for conducting this event, and I have seen her over a period of 3 months how much we have worked on this and to bring us to this level. Thank you so much, ma'am. Then I would thank Shri Manoj sir, who has come all the way, taking a flight right away just to attend for 5 minutes, and we are really grateful to Manoj sir. Then I would thank Sri Pradeep Mittalji, who has come all the way today to address the gathering and motivate all the speakers, all the participants who have come, and telling inspiring stories and guiding how the road of startups is going to be. Thank you so much, sir. Then I would have thanked Sridivya Garu, who has told us what it takes a woman to become an entrepreneur. What is the requirement and what are the strategies and what are the guidelines you have to follow to become a woman entrepreneur. Thank you so much, ma'am. Then I would thank our promoters, SBH, Canara Bank, IDBI Bank and SIDBI for promoting us. Then I would thank our knowledge partners, TiE Hyderabad and Hyderabad Angels, and also T-Hub, who has partnered with us. Mr. Ramesh Loganathan couldn't be with us today. And also University of Hyderabad. And I would thank the media, our media partners, Sakshi team, the New Indian Express, and Your Story, who is promoting us through their networks. And I would also thank all the participants for your amazing business plans. We have gone through your business plans and they are really amazing. And I think the jury will have a great time listening to your business plans. And I would also thank the mentors and the jury people and the business industry experts who have come for guiding you and mentoring you. And I would also thank the Palay Srujana team who has come and set up their stalls today for showing what it's in a rural entrepreneur to be. And I would conclude this session by saying a thanks again.